I'm Damion.
I'm Quanda, and today we are experiencing.
Pool day, resort day. We not do nothing else off of the property there. That the day there.
If you guys want to experience Ocean Eden's Bay with us, keep on watching. You heard the good. It's a shot of coffee with a coffee. Yesterday we ventured off property and we went and did some excursions. And today we decided to just stay on property and get our money worth because we spent so much money here to be leaving. Right? Okay. So, everyone's like, parachutes it. So we're just gonna walk around the property and take advantage of what they offer. I already had a coffee this morning from I call Mike Coffee Shop, but it wasn't that good. It was coffee. It wasn't my kind of coffee, but yeah. So now we are out here by the pool with a few of the people. Got the girls over there and got Miss Poochie over here. And the pool is behind, well, in front of me, right here. There is a pool party that's about to begin, so once that starts, we'll get the festivities going.
Play it back again. Bossy blam them. Tell them this a yard man anthem. We are come from one back to 10. Pull out that. Play it back again. So the bossy blam them. Everybody know how the thing bend. Select me make you play it back again. Every time I say me looking at your eye, the love and love when you give me one. Every time when me looking at me eye, you love there, you don't know that. Chill a lot of girl don't know how to come off, but you know you are the beat and me have a chill a lot of girl don't know how to come off, but baby you want the beat and me heart. Even though the girl are you and me boo, I'ma put a never live without you. This is love that it.
I listen to anybody. Oh. Hello, vlog. We lit, as always.
They lit.
Mr. Vincent right there. Miss Kaveen. Party people. Miss Damion.
I'm a party pooper and I'm sipping too.
Sipping. Uh-oh.
We good.
Oh. What's going on, guys?
Strong.
We lit. We lit.
Be nice.
Oh. I want to see this vlog, Wanda.
Me too.
I want to see it next year.
Don't want to see it
I want to
next
see
year.
it when we get back. So this is a reminder, so you don't forget.
You got like 5 more
Reminder,
icon
baby.
videos to post.
I didn't even see this. Well, I didn't know. I didn't see the freedom cruise. We didn't see that.
We haven't done that yet.
I lost the footage. I just found that. Like
So we
2 weeks ago.
expecting to see this vlog. We
You'll
agree?
see this vlog.
We gonna see it?
You'll see
Can we
the
get some
vlog.
insurance?
You'll see the vlog.
Okay.
You'll see the vlog.
And we got some steak, broccoli, and plantains, as Kayla was saying. Just got done with dinner. So now we are about to find some dessert and then maybe a show. And this is a big maybe because we don't know what's going on tonight. I guess.